chapter similar triangles. In this video we are going to learn the areas of two similar triangles and some more important results based on these areas. Now see first areas of similar triangles. See the statement: the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. See once again, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. See here I am taking the two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. These two triangles are similar. Then their areas, the ratio of their areas means area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR. Ratio of these two triangles is equal to ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Corresponding sides means AB. Its corresponding side is PQ. So ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. So AB by PQ whole square, or it is written as AB square by PQ square. And combined square means AB by PQ whole square. Now this is the formula of areas of similar triangle. Instead of by taking AB PQ, we can also take BC by QR whole square or AC by PR whole square. Once again, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR equal to AB by PQ whole square, or same as BC by QR whole square, or it is same as AC by PR whole square. Take any one of the ratio to find out the values. It is important in exam point of view for either 1 mark or half mark. See how to the question is like this. Here the four quantities 1, 2, 3, 4. Among the four quantities, the three values are given. To find out the remaining, the fourth one means A 1, 2, 3, 4. The four quantities, three values are given. Three quantity values are given. To find out the fourth one. So question like that. So we have to find out the fourth one by using this formula. So it is important in exam point of view for 1 mark or half mark. Now see second point. If areas of two similar triangles are equal, then they are congruent triangles. See once again, if the areas of two similar triangles are equal, then they are congruent triangles. See, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are two similar triangles. That is, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, and their areas are equal. Means area of triangle ABC equal to area of triangle PQR. The first point is, first of all, they are similar triangles and their areas are equal. Then the given two triangles are congruent. Then the given two triangles are congruent. Means the two triangles satisfies the two conditions. The first one is, first of all, they are similar triangles, and if their areas are equal, then the given two triangles are congruent triangles. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. This is an important result for areas of similar triangles. Now see some important results based on the areas of the triangle. The result one, the first result, the area of two similar triangles are in the ratio of the squares of the corresponding altitudes. Say in triangle ABC, AM is an altitude, and in triangle DEF, DN is an altitude, and triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. AM is an altitude of triangle ABC, DN is an altitude of triangle DEF. Then we have the ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of the squares of their altitudes. See, means area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to AM by DN whole square. If you know their altitudes, then you can find out the ratio of the areas of the given triangle. So this is an important result. The first result, which is based on the areas of triangle, the areas of the ratios of the areas of two triangles is equal to the ratios of the squares of their altitudes. Now see the second result. The area of two similar triangles are in the ratio of the squares of corresponding medians. The first point related to corresponding altitudes, and second point related to corresponding medians. So in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AP is the median of triangle ABC and DQ is the median of triangle DEF. Median means from vertex to joining, from vertex to its opposite side, midpoint. Get this midpoint. And here also from D to here the midpoint. Q is the midpoint of EF and P is the midpoint of BC. By joining opposite vertex, from vertex to its opposite side, midpoint. So these are the medians. This triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. AP and DQ are the medians of triangle ABC and triangle DEF respectively. Then the ratio of their areas equal to the ratio of the squares of their medians. Means area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to AP by DQ, AP by DQ whole square. Now this is the second important result. Now see the last third important result. The area of two similar triangles are in the ratio of the squares of corresponding angular bisectors. So what is the angular bisector? Angular bisector means dividing the angle exactly two parts. See, triangle ABC and triangle DEF both are similar triangles. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar triangles. Here the AX is the angular bisector of A, angle A. AX is a bisector of angle A. Angle A means here at this point these two angles are same. Here these two angles are same. In the same way, in triangle DEF, DY is a bisector of angle D. Bisector means here at angle D, here we divided exactly two parts and these two parts are same. These two angles are same. Suppose if it is 60 degrees, then it is divided into 30 and 30. Here also if it is 60 degrees, then it is divided into 30 and 30. So both are bisectors. So AX is bisector of angle A, DY is bisector of angle D. Then the area of the ratio of their areas is equal to ratio of the squares of their angular bisectors. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to AX by DY whole square. Angular bisector AX by DY whole square. So these are the important results based on the area of triangles.